If you are thinking of buying, selling, or downsizing anywhere in London, St. Thomas area, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Jimmy Singh. I'm broker owner with Supermax Realty, and in this video I will break down different sales number from our MLS data. All facts, no hype. If you're a first time buyer to my channel, please like and subscribe. Some people are saying nothing is selling, prices are crashing, and I'll just wait it out. But when I look at the MLS data, what I notice is homes that are priced right, they are still selling. Well presented homes, they are moving faster than what many people are expecting. Inventory though have risen to 4.7 months supply, but not evenly in all price points. In certain segments of London St. Thomas market, buyers actually have more power, leverage than they had in many past years. And in other segments, sellers are still holding strong, as you can see on the screen. And this is the actual reflection of what is happening in London St. Thomas market in the past 12 months. Beginning of 2026, London prices were hovering around $630,000, and in past few months there was major fluctuations, increased values, less volume as compared to the past year. But this month, in March of 2026, we have more sales. We have roughly 186 more sales as compared to the previous month, which was February 2026, though the prices were down 4.1% as compared to March of 2025. Inventory sitting at 4.7 months, average price in London St. Thomas 627,000. Home price index, which is the true price, is sitting around $563,000. And with the recent announcement by federal and provincial government in the last month, I noticed there's a lot of inquiries and builders have adjusted their prices downwards, and it is indeed a very good step to boost the supply across London St. Thomas, creating affordable, meaningful path for home ownership. If I talk about MLS price index for all property types, apartments, townhomes, bungalows, the prices are pretty much flat as compared to the last month. And the good part is, if I compare London St. Thomas market to other cities across Canada, as you can see on the screen, we are still very affordable. We are sitting at price of 563,000 end of this month, which is lower than Kitchener-Waterloo, which is lower than Cambridge, Woodstock, Hamilton, Burlington, Toronto, even Niagara Falls and Windsor markets. So this is the data I pulled up from Canadian Real Estate Housing, and it shows like affordability is still the biggest driver. Now focusing on the data on your screen, for London St. Thomas, last month in the price point less than 550, we have 23 sales and approximately 3 months supply on the market. In the range 550 to 750, we have 22 sales and approximately 4 months of supply on the market. 750 to 1 million. In March of 2026, we had only 3 sales and 15 month supply. And if I focus on London City, less than 550 price point, we had 132 sales and supply is less than 2 months on the market. 550 to 750 range, we had 108 sales and the supply is sitting close to 3 months. 752 million, we had 59 sales and the supply or inventory is 5.5 months on the market, and 1 million plus we have 30 sales and approximately 8 months supply on the market. So all in all, if you can see, starter homes are still going very briskly, and I have noticed in our office, if the house is priced right, in some situations there are multiple offers. So pricing strategy matters a lot, folks, in today's market. The day of just throwing your listing on MLS and see what happens is gone. And if you're a buyer in the market, you will have more options, you will have more negotiation power, fewer bidding wars, and time to do your due diligence. But you have to know how to structure the deal, how to structure your offer, and where to find the best deals in the market. And if you're a seller looking to downsize or homeowner looking to move or sell, here is the reality. Overpricing definitely will cost you time and money. Pricing correctly will support results as shown by the sales data, and market rewards people who understand these numbers, facts, and punishes who rely on the old data of 22-23, because market indeed have shifted a lot in the past 12 to 24 months. So if you live anywhere in London, St. Thomas market and want a data-driven market analysis based on your situation, based on real data, no guessing, no wishful thinking, I encourage and invite you reach out to me. Visit my channel jimmysinghrealtor.ca, and we can talk about your goals and how I may be able to help you achieve the desired results in the real estate. My number is 519-933-2559. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you next time.